But you can absolutely tell that that Chinese upper is not the same color um, as the rest of the bike. The guy that did my fairing did an amazing job. That right panel is just perfect, perfect. And he only painted. He blended it in to the 848. He taped off the 848 so it wouldn't get covered up, and I wouldn't have to buy new stickers. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm just disappointed in the upper. The Chinese didn't do a good job on that upper like they should have. I'll probably keep an eye out and hope that slightly used upper comes available. But anyway, there it is after the crash. Um, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Ask me any questions you want. I can point you in the right direction where to get parts and stuff. If you decide that you're gonna throw away the right side of your bike. So thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.